Welcome back guys. Today we'll be learning how you can automate your WhatsApp with the help of Python within 3 lines of code. Let me show you how it is. First of all, you have to install the automation module with Python known as PyWhatKit. Let me show you how it works. You have to launch up your command prompt or your PowerShell or your terminal in any IDE and say pip install PyWhatKit. Alright, since I already have it installed, it's going to show me requirement already satisfied. But for you, it's going to show a progress bar and it's going to install it within 5 seconds. Alright, what you entered in a command prompt code to install the module can also be typed here, as this is also the same term. So when I run the command here as well, you're going to see the same display that is requirement already satisfied. Alright, so you can just use this as a cross verification method. So once I come out, I can clear it. And now you have to import the module called PyWhatKit. Alright, so first you're going to write the comment importing the module. So you're going to say import PyWhatKit. Now what you're going to do is you're going to say WhatsApp automation dot send what message underscore instantly. Alright, now you need to supply your phone number that you want to send. Okay guys, so now once you do that, now the second parameter you need to supply is your message. Alright, so you can take an input from the user, that is. So once it is done, you can just come over here and replace it with the phone number, and this can be replaced with the WhatsApp. And then you can just supply the time you want. So there are different messages. So there are different ways to send a message. So send what message instantly is a function which sends the message automatically. So it's going to use web automation. It's going to open up your web browser or the WhatsApp application on your PC. It's going to send the message instantly. Or there is another method in which you can supply the specific time you want to send the message, and then you can send it to specific groups, send specific images, etc. And all that is available in the official documentation. So you can see when I come on the official documentation, you can see all the references are given here. So if you want to send images, you want to send to a message, similar to message, you can get the expected errors, how to solve the errors, conclusion, everything is mentioned. So you can use it as a reference while programming your WhatsApp automation bot. Alright, for the video demonstration purpose, I'm going to only show you this method, and you can reference it from the internet, and I'm going to link the article or the official documentation in the description box. Or simply it's asking for the phone number, I can just give it as a random number for now, and I can send the message, this is my message, please. Now for security purposes, I cannot open my WhatsApp and display it here, but you can understand if I press enter now, it's going to open WhatsApp and send the message instantly to the person or the phone number I have supplied. Alright. So guys, that wraps up our video on WhatsApp automation with Python for today. If you want to see more of such interesting and amazing content in the future, then make sure to subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to follow my account on Instagram. So till then, be safe and bye.